You wake up in your World Cup hotel with a headache and sore throat. Match in 6 hours.
Pharmacy nearby? Yes. What do you say? What do you ask for? What is American medicine called?
Today, pharmacy and basic medical English. B1 level. Real travel situations.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah.
3 areas today: explaining symptoms, finding medicine, and visiting urgent care if needed.
B1 level, clear and practical.
First, pharmacies.
American pharmacies are everywhere. CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid. Open many hours.
Pharmacy worker, hi, can I help you find something? You answer with your need.
I have a headache. What do you recommend? Simple, direct.
Or, I need something for a cold. Or, do you have ibuprofen?
Common medicines without prescription. Ibuprofen, for pain. Tylenol, also pain.
Cold medicine, Dayquil for day, NyQuil for night. Cough syrup for cough. Throat lozenges for sore throat.
Allergy medicine, Claritin, Zyrtec, Benadryl. Different brands, similar use.
Stomach problems, Pepto-Bismol, pink medicine, Tums, Imodium for diarrhea.
Worker may ask, any allergies? Always answer honestly. No, or specifically, I'm allergic to penicillin.
If your medicine is prescription, bring it from home in original packaging.
Pharmacy basics. I have a headache. I need something for a cold. Do you have ibuprofen?
Common American medicines. Tylenol, Advil, Dayquil, NyQuil, Tums, Pepto-Bismol.
Allergy questions. Any allergies? Always answer.
Prescription, bring originals from home. U.S. pharmacies need U.S. prescriptions for prescription drugs.
Now, explaining symptoms in more detail.
Common symptoms vocabulary. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a fever.
Or, I feel nauseous. Nauseous, feeling sick to stomach.
I'm dizzy. I have a runny nose. I have a cough.
Pain location. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts.
How long? I've had it for 2 days. Since yesterday. Just this morning.
How bad? It's mild. It's pretty bad. Or rate it, maybe 6 out of 10.
Bigger problems, urgent care. Quick American clinics, no appointment needed.
Urgent care is faster than emergency room, much cheaper too. Use for non-emergencies.
When you arrive, I'd like to see a doctor. Or, I'm not feeling well, could a doctor see me?
Reception will ask for ID, insurance, and the reason for the visit. Be ready to explain.
Insurance, bring travel insurance card. Travel insurance is important for trips to USA.
Doctor asks, what's going on? Explain. I have a high fever and bad headache for 2 days.
Doctor will check, possibly run tests, give medicine or prescription.
Common. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Or, twice a day with food.
Important phrases. Are there side effects? Can I drink alcohol with this? When can I exercise?
Costs. Urgent care without insurance can be $150 to $300. With travel insurance, much less.
Big emergency, chest pain, can't breathe, serious injury, call 911. Free to call.
Call 911 is the universal emergency number in USA and Canada.
Symptoms. I have a headache/sore throat/fever/cough.
Pain. My head or stomach or back hurts. It's pretty bad.
Time. I've had it for 2 days. Since yesterday.
Urgent care. I'd like to see a doctor. Bring ID and travel insurance.
Emergency. Call 911. Free. Universal in USA and Canada.
Practice these slowly.
I have a headache. What do you recommend?
I need something for a cold. Do you have ibuprofen?
I have a sore throat and a fever for 2 days.
I'd like to see a doctor.
Are there any side effects?
Quiz. What do you say?
You wake up with a bad headache. You go to CVS pharmacy.
I have a headache. What do you recommend? Worker suggests Tylenol or Advil.
You've had fever and cough for 3 days. You go to urgent care.
I have a fever and a bad cough for 3 days. I'd like to see a doctor.
Last, what's the emergency number in USA?
Call 911. Free. Available everywhere. For real emergencies only.
Health English is short and direct. Don't try fancy sentences.
Always carry travel insurance details and an English summary of any health conditions.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Stay healthy and enjoy the World Cup.